Could something as simple as eating an orange each day protect your mental health? A new study out of Massachusetts General Hospital and Harvard Medical School suggests the answer might be yes, and the implications are both exciting and profound. For years, we've known that citrus fruits are good for the immune system, packed with vitamin C and antioxidants. But it turns out they might also play a powerful role in protecting the mind, too. In this groundbreaking research, scientists discovered that regular citrus consumption is linked to a 20% lower risk of developing depression. This isn't just another nutritional tip, it's a genuine insight into how everyday food can shape our emotional well-being. The key appears to lie deep within the gut, in a fascinating connection between what we eat, the microbes in our digestive tract, and the neurotransmitters that regulate our moods. The researchers honed in on a specific gut bacterium called Faecalibacterium prausnitzii, or F. prausnitzii. It's not a name you'll see on a food label, but it may one day be as important as any nutrient we track. People who consumed more citrus had higher levels of this bacterium, and they also tended to have significantly better mental health outcomes.
Why?
F. prausnitzii is linked to the production of serotonin and dopamine, the two key neurotransmitters that elevate mood and stabilize emotion. What this study suggests is that citrus, by nurturing this bacterium, might be fueling a biochemical system in the body that naturally resists depression. This is no small breakthrough. It could represent a whole new way of thinking about mental health, not just as something to be managed once symptoms appear, but as something that can be proactively supported through diet. Unlike traditional antidepressants, which come into play only after depression has taken root, citrus offers a way to potentially prevent it in the first place. And it does so without side effects, cost, or the stigma that can sometimes accompany mental health treatment. It's as natural as your morning orange juice. Even more encouraging is how consistent the findings were. The team didn't just rely on one dataset, they replicated the results in both women and men across large-scale, long-term studies. And they didn't stop at just correlation. By examining stool samples and gut DNA, they confirmed that the link between citrus and mental health isn't just coincidence, it's rooted in real, observable biology. This is cutting-edge science that ties together nutrition, microbiology, and psychology in ways that are only beginning to be understood. It's also a timely reminder of the power of food, not just to fuel the body, but to protect the mind. As rates of depression continue to climb worldwide, especially among younger populations, there's a desperate need for new tools and new hope. Medication remains essential for many people, but the future of mental health may well include dietary strategies that are both preventive and therapeutic. Imagine a world where nutritionists and doctors routinely recommend citrus as part of a mental health plan. Imagine school cafeterias, workplace wellness programs, and public health campaigns that promote oranges not just for vitamin C, but for serotonin and dopamine support. The beauty of this approach is that it's accessible. It doesn't require prescriptions, insurance, or major life changes. It starts with a piece of fruit. While more clinical trials are needed to confirm the full extent of these benefits, the evidence already points to a remarkable truth. The path to emotional resilience might begin not in a lab or pharmacy, but in the produce aisle. This discovery could be a turning point. It invites us to look at mental health through a broader lens, one that includes the gut, the diet, and the daily choices we make at the table. It suggests that healing and happiness might not always come from complex interventions, but from reconnecting with nature's own solutions. A simple orange, it turns out, might be a small act of prevention, a daily ritual of care, and a symbol of something much bigger, a brighter, healthier future for how we treat the human mind.